A method is a block of code that we can use many times we want. And here's how we do it. Type static void and its method name, you can name this to anything. And then put the codes for displaying hi mom inside the curly brackets. Then we can call it inside our main. And when we run this, we get our hi mom displayed. But how about if we want to display hi dad also? We can add a string parameter here called name. And change the string inside the console.writeLine into this new one. Then we can put our strings inside each of these parentheses. And when we run this, we get our hi mom and hi dad also. We use void for methods that don't return a value. But what if we want to return a value? We can use a return type instead. For example, to solve the square of these numbers, we type static int, our method name, parentheses, and then curly brackets. And to pass a value, we'll add an int parameter here called amount. Then type return and the formula for getting the square. Now we can get any number's square using this method. Here's also the Microsoft's documentation if you want to learn more about methods. You can also get these codes on GitHub Gist, or read some of my written blogs on Dev. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to support this channel. Happy coding everyone.